This short video will go over how to disavow links inside the Google Search Console. Once you log into your Google Search Console account, select the correct property that you want to audit, go to Links. Now this page will show you all the external links and internal links currently on your website. The external links is where you can find links pointing to your website that can potentially be toxic. And right here you can click on top linking sites and go through each one of them to see which one is good and which one is bad. For this, I highly recommend using a tool like Ahrefs or Semrush. Simply put in your domain and go to Backlink profile, and here you can see all types of links pointing to your website that Google Search Console isn't showing. There is such a thing called negative SEO attack, which is your competitors, you don't know who they are, but they're buying toxic links, pointing them to your website to damage your SEO ranking. So what you want to do is go through the list and add any scammy links that you think is bad or toxic, add them to a list and then upload that into a link disavow file inside your Google Search Console account. Another easier way to identify toxic backlinks is to use Semrush. They have this feature where you can audit your backlinks and it's going to give you a toxic backlink score. And then you can go through the list to know exactly which links that you should be keeping and which links are there to remove. And you can easily do that inside your Semrush account. So for this example, we're doing this manually. So let's just go through the list and find all the questionable links that's pointing at our website and then add them to a list. So for this example, we have found two URLs that could be potentially toxic, and then we want to remove them and add them to the disavow file. So what we want to do is we want to disavow the entire domain rather than just the URL. So anything that comes from this domain will be disavowed. So the easiest way to do this, if you don't know the format, is to go to ChatGPT. You can say, help me create a Google disavow file for this links. So now notice ChatGPT only gives us the disavow file for the URL, but we want to disavow the entire domain. So we can say, please disavow at the domain level. You can copy this and paste it into a notepad, or you can say create a TXT file for me to download. And now we can just simply download the file. And next we're going to go to the disavow tool, which I have left a direct link in the description that you can visit. So once you are inside the disavow links tool, select the correct property, and then you're going to hit upload the disavow list. And this is where you will upload the disavow file that we have generated. In this case, it will be this one right here, and hit open. And now it's going to upload that disavow file to Google Search Console. It's going to take a few days for this to take into effect. As a routine, you should be keeping this disavow file updated weekly or monthly by adding newer toxic links that you have identified from your backlink profile audit. That way it's going to keep your website healthy and keeps your backlink profile clean.